In this video, I'll show you how to add video in Google Slides. Adding a video to Google Slides is a great way to make your presentation more engaging. Google's current Slides help says you can insert a video from three main sources: YouTube search, a YouTube URL, or Google Drive. That means you can either pull in an online video or use a video file you already saved in Drive. First, open your presentation in Google Slides on your computer and go to the slide where you want the video to appear, then click Insert at the top and choose Video. Google says this opens the video insert window where you can pick the source of your video. Now choose where your video is coming from. If the video is on YouTube, you can search for it directly inside Slides or paste the YouTube link into the By URL tab. If the video is your own file, choose Google Drive. Find the file and then click Select. Google's help page also notes that if you want to insert a Google Vids video, you first need to export it to Drive and then insert that exported video into Slides. Once the video is added, you can move it around the slide and resize it just like an image. This is useful if you want the video to fill most of the slide, or if you want to keep it smaller beside text or graphics. After placing it where you want, click the video and open Format Options. Google says this is where you can control how the video plays during the presentation. Under Video Playback, you can choose how the video starts. Google currently lists three main playback choices: play on click, play automatically, and play manual. On click means the video starts when you advance the slide. Automatically means it starts without extra clicks. Manual means you have to click directly on the embedded video itself. One more thing to remember is sharing. If your video comes from Google Drive, the people viewing the presentation need access to that video file too, otherwise it may not play for them. Google says Slides can suggest permission updates through Access Checker, but it is still smart to confirm sharing settings before presenting. So the steps are simple. Open your slide, click Insert, choose Video, pick YouTube, a URL, or Google Drive, insert the video, then adjust the playback settings if needed. That's how to add video in Google Slides. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.